In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Applixure to identify your OS version sprawl in under 10 seconds. Now, the more different OS versions and builds you have in your environment, the more difficult it is to make corrective actions. Some versions might have bugs or security issues that are fixed in later versions. Some might even be no longer supported. So the first thing for IT to do to remedy this issue is to be able to quickly identify which and how many versions you have currently in use. So let's start the clock to see if we can find them all in 10 seconds or less. So we go straight from our Applixure dashboard, we click on devices and we scroll down to look at our operating systems for Windows 10 and Windows 11 releases and builds. Stop the clock. So quick, wasn't it, to be able to get to this information? So the sort of things we want to look at is, firstly, do we have any end-of-life OS versions in use? And luckily, in this case, that we don't. If we did, it would also come up as a warning and an alert to alert us to that happening. Another thing we want to check is if we've got version sprawl. Now, in this case, we don't. We've only got one version of Windows 10 and two versions of Windows 11. But what we do have is we have a lot of builds for Windows 10. And for example, this particular build I just checked is almost a year old. So if we were to click on this device and take a look, we can actually see very quickly that they haven't had the latest security update and things are quite out of date on this particular computer. So potentially quite a big issue. So really important to have access to this information. So if you'd like to find out whether your environment is suffering from OS version sprawl or any other issue for that matter, you can try Applixure for free. So you'll install Applixure in a matter of minutes and gain full visibility to your end user environment in the coming days as all the data flows in. So go to applixure.com now and give it a try.